24% of Americans have $1,000 or less saved. 45% have nothing saved at all. I'm guessing they have debt instead. 63% of Americans do not set annual savings goals. And if any of that sounds like you, well, that used to be me as well. Why don't most Americans prioritize saving? Nobody ever taught us to. Financial education was not part of the school curriculum at any level. And many of us walk around with financial scars from listening to our parents fight about money. Not to mention it's a taboo topic among friends and sometimes even partners. I'm out to destigmatize this conversation, to make financial literacy fun, exciting, and accessible. I'm here to help, to share what I learned and pay it forward because I transformed my financial life, but I did it alone. You don't have to. I'm excited to announce the relaunch of my course, Save Money Resolution, where I'm going to guide you on your journey to saving your first or next $10,000. Yes, I said $10,000 saved for the long term. Why 10,000? I believe $10,000 is a life-changing amount of money. Achieving 5 figures saved and invested was the catalyst to all of my financial success thereafter. It's confidence building, it's exciting, it's motivating, it changes your life because it gives you a sense of what financial freedom feels like. And with the skills and systems that you'll learn in Save Money Resolution, you'll be well on your way to $20,000, maybe even $50,000 saved. And if you find it all as exciting as me, you may even get on the path to retire 5, 10, 15 years sooner than the average person, especially if you combine this knowledge with my YouTube channel and books. If you don't know who I am, my name is Frankie. I'm the author of The Money Resolution, Money You Can Hack It, and Save Half, Retire Fast. I'm a finance coach, I'm a YouTuber, I'm a blogger, and on top of all that, I still work a 9 to 5. I spent a year meticulously designing this course. There's no fluff. It builds on itself in a very specific order, and you are going to learn a lot more than how to save money. It's for anybody in any location, on any budget or income. If you're committed to succeeding, I guarantee it with a 30-day, no questions asked, money back guarantee. Most people quit their New Year's resolution by January 16th. Yes, that soon. Most people give up on financial goals, big and small, but that's because they didn't set the right goals and they didn't set up systems to automate their way to success. And that's what I'm going to teach you. And I would even argue that what most people think saving isn't actually savings at all. I'm going to challenge that and a lot more in my course. The course provides 2 hours of video lessons from me, guiding you through my 7-step system so that you can go from less than $500 saved to 5 figures saved. Because for nearly a decade, money kept me up at night. It was one of my biggest, if not the biggest, stress in my life. One day I decided enough is enough. I decided to face my fears. I set a vague 1-word New Year's resolution: money. It was vague because I didn't know what I didn't know. Not only did I stick with this vague resolution, I'm still committed to improving my financial life nearly 6 years later. I want to show you how I did it because this journey is a lot more fun when you do it with people. So check out themoneyresolution.com. I have free resources there for you, even if you aren't ready to commit. If you are, let's set your smarter goal together. Allow me to help you build your systems and automations so that you can be financially successful this year and beyond. Let's create your ultimate plan, a path to financial success, your path to 5 figures. It's time you face your financial fears head on and aggressively. Let's change your financial life together. Let's change your life together. Will money solve all your problems? Probably not, but it will solve your money problems. My approach is simple. It's no BS. It's designed to be very actionable. And you know what? I think it's even fun. It's for everyone, and I stand behind it 100%. Because deep down, my smarter goal is to help you save $10,000 twice as fast as I did. Money doesn't have to be hard or complicated. Let's simplify the subject. Let's save together. Thank you for your time. Invest in yourself at themoneyresolution.com. My name is Frankie, and I truly hope to see you there. Thanks.